Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is literally travel home day and I'm filming this haul because I've got so many goodies around me that I want to be able to give to our friends and family, and if I don't film it now, I don't know when I will, and then they'll never get all these goodies. So yeah, we are back from Disney World. We've literally been back in the UK for a matter of hours, and I thought it was time to show you everything that we brought back in our suitcase. I don't actually know how we brought all of this back, if I'm honest, but here we are, we have. So let's get into it. Let's start with the goodies that I got from Target. So Target, we have, and some of this is for me and some of these are gifts. We have got everything bagel seasoning. I am so excited to try this. I've heard people put it on pasta, on bagels, you name it, it's going on it. Toast apparently, and scrambled eggs, also a really good one. So that's the bagel seasoning. I had seen this all over my TikTok, and I've sort of will show these two just as a pair because they're from a similar category. But these little Listerine strips, they're like little sheets that you put on your tongue, and I think they're just great for like after food and things, probably great for a curry, which I'm a big lover of. You get 3 little packs in there of 24 strips, so perfect for your handbag. And then I couldn't come back from America and not get a whitening toothpaste, so we're going to give that a go. Never had an American whitening toothpaste before, but we'll see how we get on with it. These again were a TikTok influence. Everybody I see on TikTok that talks about things to buy as a UK girly in Target talks about these Tide pens, and I've been influenced. So these are like stain remover pens, and they're supposedly really great for like your bag, travelling, etc. And if you just get a little mark, apparently you just give it a little sort of dab with this and away you go. What else did we get from Target? Oh, one of my friends at work, she asked me for a few things, but the case was getting a bit tight for space, but I did bring her back this ranch dip that she asked for. You get 4 sachets in there and it makes up like an American ranch dip. So this is Hidden Valley ranch dip for Livy. Then we have got, oh, these are for me. Dreamy, I dream about these. So yes, you can get Skittles in the UK. Can you get these Skittles in the UK? No, you can't. Do you know why? They have like a coating on them that burns your tongue, and that's how I like my sweets. Okay, if I'm gonna have sweets, I am a sour sweet girly. I need them to like burn my tongue and my teeth to feel furry. That's how we like them. I can only eat a few of these at a time for that exact reason, so these will last me a very long time, I'm sure. Oh, this is a good one. A little mini native deodorant, perfect for the handbag. This brand I've never really heard of before, but I have heard lots of people rave about it. So I went for coconut and vanilla, and and I'm quite excited to try it. I haven't even smelt it. Oh, that smells incredible. Absolutely incredible. It's like a holiday. Holiday in a tube. We've then got, these are for my sister. You've probably already had them by now, Ames, but here they are. I got them, and I got you the biggest pack I could possibly find because she loves them so much. I'm hoping these will last you until Christmas. Family size, okay? These are the chewy ones. They're the ones that she prefers. You can also get them in original, and now they're doing minis as well, and some people say the minis are the best. So we got her the cookies. Then I got, is that everything from Target? Yeah, oh no, one more from Target. EOS hand cream. This is for my best friend Tuesday. She again sent me a list of a few things that she would like, and I couldn't get everything because of case size, but I did get her this hand cream, and I'm gonna smell it. That smells dreamy. I wanted to get myself something from EOS, but I did not, so you can enjoy that one for me. I actually just realised there's something else over here. I got these lip balms. Yeah, these are super cute. They look really sweet, and they are 24-hour moisture super balm minis. So we'll give these a little go. I thought they were quite sweet. Right, that's all the Target stuff now. Then we've got the Touchland Power Mists. I wanted the Disney one that comes in the cute little Mickey case. They didn't have any in, where was I in? Sephora? Yeah, and that was the Sephora in Disney Springs. They had like all of the other flavours that you can think of, not the Disney one, which I asked. They were like, we don't know why. We're a Disney store, like we're at Disney Springs, and we haven't had the Disney one. So, who knows? But I got these, one for myself and maybe a second for myself. I don't know yet. Oh. So, my best friend Tuesday has 2 children, and I love buying them little gifts. I love seeing their little faces when I bring them things, but I always really struggle to know what to get them because I don't ever want one to have something better than the other. I don't want them to fight, and also I feel like as like the fun friend slash auntie, I'm like the surrogate auntie, I should be able to give them sweet treats and then leave them to be hyper and run around. So, they will have had this already too, but they have both got giant bags of Disney rainbow popcorn. These are, it says confetti flavoured, but I don't know what confetti tastes like. So I'd imagine this is just going to be super, super sweet, fruity, and full of sugar. So Tommy and Ruby, that is for you. Where to next? Gifts for James's parents. So, James's parents are going to Seattle next week. When I'm filming this video, it's next week. And they're also then doing a national park. And James found this top in Colombia, which will be perfect for his dad, which is why we want to give it to him today, which is why I'm filming this today. So this is a Yellowstone National Park t-shirt, which is where they're off to. This was from the Colombia at Disney Springs. So we are going to take this to give it to you now, Auntie. We'll see you soon with this t-shirt. So, we are going on a Disney cruise in September, and James's mum does not own ears. So, we got her these. These are the Winnie the Pooh ears. Look at how cute they are. I love. And on the side, look at that. Today is my favourite day. They're super cute. Love. So these are for James's mum, Karen. So again, I've hopefully already done the announcement because I've just told you about James's mum's ears and you've just seen a little snippet of what I'm holding here. There is a pirate night on the cruise and James was unsure on what to wear for pirate night, and I said, why don't you get a shoulder pal of like a bird or a parrot? So we got this one at Animal Kingdom Lodge. This is, who is this? Zazu. Zazu from The Lion King, and I thought how perfect for pirate night if he wears this with like a black t-shirt. They give you bandanas I think on the cruise, and then he'll have his own little pirate bird. Super, super cute. I think we're getting to the end of the haul now. There's not too much left around me. So, outlets. That was where we went this morning, and I was a little bit underwhelmed by the outlets and the Disney Character Warehouse because I think I've seen it so hyped on TikTok and how there's always a queue and great finds. I personally didn't think it was that great, but I had been requested by Tash at work to get her some sort of sparkly cup. She loves my Disney cup from Honeymoon, and when I was in there I saw these. These are Tinkerbell inspired Starbucks cups, and the cups at Disney World are normally about $40. These were $20 each. Super, super cute, super, super sparkly, Tinkerbell themed, and I thought that they were such a good price. I got 3. So it's now become a tradition that everywhere I go, well, I say everywhere I go, every time I go to Disney, which was twice, I get a cup. And now I've done it twice, I can call it a tradition. So I have a silver sparkly cup from our honeymoon, and it's starting to like wear a bit now, the colours. So I've got a brand new one. So I've also got myself a Tinkerbell cup. And then I got one for Tash at work, so here's yours. And I got one for my bestie Tuesday because she loves a giant cup. And what are you if you don't have a giant cup? That's like a girl's girl personality right here. Oh, t-shirts. So James did find a couple of nice t-shirts at the outlet for work. He just likes quite plain t-shirts but nice quality t-shirts. So it was buy one get one half price at Tommy Hilfiger. So he went for this like navy blue colour, and it's just got a tiny little embroidered logo on the front. And then he went for like a really dark navy blue. So 2 different blues, really nice quality. And these were a very good price as well from the outlet. So we've got 2 t-shirts there for James. What's in this bag? This is a good one. So I have been running a little giveaway over on my Instagram page because I just wanted to say thank you to everybody for all of the love and support that they've shown me since I started the page, because it's grown really quickly. It's not huge, but just the amount of people that I've chatted to on there, I love it. It's, like I say, it's my happy place. So I decided to do a giveaway, but I wanted it to be kind of significant, so I set a target of like 2,000 followers. Hopefully, again, by the time this video comes out, a lovely lucky person will have won the giveaway prize. And you will have also seen in the vlog what the giveaway prize was, but to show you them again, these are the ears that James chose for the giveaway. These are Cruella de Vil inspired ears, brand new to the parks, we think, because I haven't seen them anywhere else and I only saw them in a couple of shops at Disney. So yeah, this is the giveaway prize. Love them, and again, just super grateful for everybody in this community, and this is my little way of saying thank you. My Loungefly! This was on the list as like a must buy this trip. So we saw this Loungefly the first night when we went to Disney Springs, and I knew I liked it, but we didn't get it. Disney Springs was just very overwhelming that night. But we did get it on the first full day, so we got it at Magic Kingdom. I love it. It's like Mickey classic. It will go with everything. Absolutely stunning. My first ever Loungefly. I also treated myself to my first ever Bigfoot plushie. We got this at Disney Springs today. So you will have already seen Pua in the Travel Home Day vlog, but Pua has come to join the collection. And you come to join the collection. I've also then got a very special plushie to show you, and this will have already been gifted by the time this vlog comes out. But my friend Natalie, who we connected through our love of Disney and other things, and I feel like she just came into my life at the right time. She bought me these beautiful ears when she went to Disney, and she also brought me a keyring and a bracelet, like just really unexpected lovely gifts, and I wanted to make sure that I chose something for her that was special and that I knew she wanted. So I sort of snuck into conversation, which she'll now know, about what big feet she has, because I know she's collecting them, and there were two that she said she really wanted, and I think one of them I will admit has been hard to find. I couldn't find it when I was out there, and I even googled it and I was struggling to find it online, but I did get her a friend. I got her a Bigfoot eel. So I mean, I've been very tempted to keep him myself. He's very cute, and James loves Eeyore. Eeyore was like his childhood teddy, so yeah. Eeyore, you are going home with Natalie, I'm afraid, but you can live with us for a few more days until that happens. I've got one more to show you. Where are they? We're down to the last two. So you will have seen these 100% in the vlog. My first ever Disney Crocs, and just my first ever Crocs in general. I am now converted. Let me tell you, these are the comfiest things I've ever worn. I wore them around the parks. I wore them around the water parks. I wore them to travel home. Perfect. Super comfy. Don't know how I haven't owned a pair before, but these ones are special because, if you haven't noticed already, the little holes are Disney holes. So I love those, and now I can get some gibbets. I always call them giblets, and James said that's something to do with the chicken. So gibbets for my Crocs, so I can accessorise and personalise. And the very last one, I've saved the best till last. We are slowly but surely decorating our house, and we've got, you know, a couple of photos on the wall. We've got a Disney photo in our bedroom that was a wedding gift, but we haven't got any real artwork around the house. And as we start to decorate, we're obviously making it our own. We want to kind of make it softer, and I feel like putting things on the walls, having, you know, your curtains, whatever colour choices you have, that is what makes your personality and softens your house. So we went to Disney Springs, we went to the art shop, and we have come home with our very first piece of Disney art. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. I love it. I love it so much. I love it. So this is going to go on the wall at the top of our stairs, which is currently blank, and I feel like that's just the perfect thing to see when we first walk upstairs. Just because coming upstairs is like when you start to calm down, isn't it? From like your busy day, from cooking dinner, whatever you're doing, you come upstairs, you get ready for bed, like that's your calm space. So now I will get to see Disney as soon as I head up my stairs, and again in our bedroom, which I'm super excited for. There were lots of prints at the Art of Disney in Disney Springs that we loved, and there was one in particular that they had the original. In fact, I took a picture of it, so I'll pop it on the screen now. And I asked about the prints, and they said it's literally just been done as part of Festival of the Arts. So the likelihood is they will have prints soon, but they didn't have any when we were there. And it's a shame because I kind of saw it straight away. I said to James, that's the one. We hunted and hunted, we asked. They didn't have it. So we carried on shopping, and we narrowed it down to, I think, about 6. And then we slowly, through elimination, came down to the one that we've now brought home. That's me. That's my Disney haul. Again, possibly a bit of a chaotic vlog, but hey, that's what we're here for. This is real life. And I just want to say thank you so much for being here, for watching. Let me know what your favourite thing is to bring back from Disney, from the States, from your holidays. And I will leave you here with a goodbye from me and Pua. Bye!